friends, today we are going to show fish fry. Clean and wash the fish, cut and drain, keep it aside. This is basic and easy method fish fry. Chili powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, garam masala half teaspoon, half piece lemon, squeeze the lime juice. Squeeze it. Mix the masalas well, spread it all over the fish. Marinate the fish for 25 minutes, keep it in refrigerator. If needed, sprinkle with water. Take out the fish from refrigerator. Allow to defrost. Heat a pan, pour oil. Flame should be high when you are placing the fish. Place all the fish one by one. One side is cooked, flip it. If you pour more oil, the fish taste will be less. Make sure flame should be medium. Now fishes are turned to golden color. Cook the fish both sides. Before we take out, the flame should be high. Now take out from the pan. Sprinkle some curry leaves in hot oil. Slice the onions, fried curry leaves, sprinkle some lime juice, serve with hot. Our crispy fish fry is ready to serve. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.